There are a few different ways you can sell, or in other words, list, your NFT on SolSea. We'll first explain how you can sell your NFT through your wallet. First, make sure you connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Then click on the Wallet button to open your slide-in wallet. If you don't have an NFT yet, you can check our video on how to create an NFT in this video's description. In your wallet, you will see all the NFTs you own. If you find it too difficult to navigate the slide-in wallet, you can always slide it wider. Next, click the List button on the NFT you want to put up for sale. Enter the amount of sols you wish to list your NFT for. Additionally, by staking AART tokens, you can promote your NFT on SolSea. We've linked a video on how to stake AART in the video description. Click List and approve the transaction that pops up. There is a small transaction fee to be paid, which is currently less than $1. Congrats! You've now listed your NFT for sale, and all you have to do is wait for someone to buy it. We've explained how you can buy an NFT as well in a separate video. If you want to list multiple NFTs at once, switch from the normal tab to bulk. Enter the amount of sols you want to list the NFTs for underneath every NFT you want to list for sale. When you are done with that, just click on the arrow in the bottom right corner, then Submit All. Approve the transaction in the pop-up window. Again, there is a same transaction fee as with listing an NFT. And that's it. You can have an overview of your listed NFT by navigating to that segment of your wallet from the drop-down menu. If you wish to change the price of the listed NFT, click on the Update button and enter the new preferred price. Click Update Price and approve the transaction. And that's it.